1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. First year of the Camaro. Beautiful red paint. Has a really high gloss on it. Nice and smooth, nice and slick, wet sanded, buffed out. Not a perfect paint job. There are a few nicks here and there that you cannot really see in the video or the photos. But overall, you can take this thing to a car show, car cruise, and have a great time. It's a great, great driver quality Camaro. So the Camaro's been repainted. We just put on 2 new front Cobra radial TAs. The back ones are still in great condition. The louvers are really nice. All the glass in the car is like new. Beautiful white stripe, nice grille. Keep in mind the rally doors only work manually. Okay? Now she's winking at you. Rear spoiler. Beautiful black interior. In the back there, those are the glass for the car. If you wanted to put them back on, but these look like new. Beautiful buckets. Nice center console. RPM tech was added, and I just added the rally tech there in front of the shifter. Beautiful door sill plates. Nice door panels, nice lips on the door. Door jambs are done real nice. Whew, look at that reflection. Trunk is very solid. I got my car cover in there and some cleaning supplies. Beautiful. In here I have new chrome parts for the car if you wanted to put them on. They're brand new. Spare tire and a jack is here as well. Very solid. Very solid floor. Trunk floor. And underneath, the 2 front floor pans have been replaced or brand new. Driver's side, real nice door lips right there. Door panels are excellent. Door sill plates, door jambs, really, really nice. There's your headliner. Dome light works. Nice clean package tray with your speakers in the back. Really nice back seats, have been recovered with seat belts. Beautiful. So in 67, it's the only year of the Camaro that has the vent windows, as you can see there. That's one way you can tell a 67 out of a 68 really, really quick, is that. Wait till you see what's under the hood. Just installed. I mean just installed. 383 stroker. Aluminum heads, headers, 4-barrel Holley carburetor, power steering, no overheating problems whatsoever. I added the MSD ignition. It's a drum brake car, but it stops great. In a minute here, you'll hear it. So here we are. She starts right up. thing shifts really good out of this turbo 400. What an excellent car. All the gauges are functional. Sounds really good, stops really good. Just an amazing car. If you need financing, please call me at 847-848-1850. No money down option. I'll get you approved in 15 minutes. I can also deliver this bad boy right to your doorstep. If you've been looking for a 67 RS SS with the 383 stroker, turbo 400, this is it. You're going to have fun. Beautiful red paint job. Really nice interior. Like I said, I added all the tacks. Well, the tack and the gauge package there above the shifter. Everything's working. I mean, this thing's temperament is really nice. And it's a monster. If I floor this thing, it'll smoke the tires in every gear. Woo! So if you need financing, call me. No money down option. Again, delivered to your doorstep. How can you lose? You can't. See all my photos, full disclosure. Check out the video here. Give me a call. Thanks for watching. Later.